Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech2Fusion. So today we will discuss about one of that security tool of Python. So the tool name is Bandit. So how to we will use and how to install that security tool of Python which is name is Bandit, and how to test the Bandit is working or not, and some security which is we did not include in our Python code. So before we start, I'm giving you some basic information about Bandit. Bandit is a tool designed to identify the common security problem in your Python code. Okay, like what are the security problems we did in writing our code. Okay, and its test once it's completed the test and it will generate a report. Okay, it's like a application security test tool. Okay, so like how to install and how to test the Band-Aid. So for that we need a Python version to in your Windows machine. So if you don't know about how to install Python, then use my video which is I create how to install Python in your Windows. I will give it a video link in my description of that same video. You can use that, and how to install Band-Aid in our Windows. So for that, what you need to do, just once you need to install, as we have already command prompt, right? Then you need to just open that your command prompt, okay? And after then, what you need to do, just check first your pip version is working or not, or means like pip is installed or not. Okay, so for that you just type once you install that Python. Okay, so first you need to install Python, and after that we need to check the pip version. So for that, what you need to do, just type pip space minus capital V. It will show you that version list. Okay, so after that, what you need to do, this is I creating some virtual environment for the pip. After, what you need to do is to install the Bandit. As I just installed, just type the command pip install Bandit. I will give the description in my video description how to install and the command. Okay, after that installing, it will show you like this, as you can see, right? So once it's completed, you can see how like Bandit give you the security result. So for that, what you need to do, just Bandit space underscore V. Once you type, then you can see that it will give you the result. The Bandit give you the result like this of your Python code. So now we have a one of that Python code. Okay, let me show you that. This is a simple secured socket programming Python code. Okay, like it's a server program of that socket programming testing. Okay, I have a client also. If you need, then ping me on that or comment on that. I will give you that. Okay, so once we install that Band-Aid and Python, then how to test. So for that, what you need to do, just go to, I'm giving you that example. What you need to do, just type Bandit space minus R and path of your Python code space minus O and your Python code file. Okay, once we will provide this information, it will generate the report of your code. Okay, if there any issue, then it will show you that exact thing. Okay, so as you can see, I just start test that db dash tool, like it will, I provide that everything inside that, right? Then it will check the test result by like this. As you can see, the issue in my file, one of that file db delete test.py, in that insert.py, it will show you that issues is. like possible SQL injection vector through string-based query construction, severity, medium confidence, low. Okay, so this will generate like this. Okay, however, now it will show you that code scan, like how many code line is scanned, and that security run matrix, then it will generate like this, and the total issue says low as 3.0, and file which is his cap, and syntax error while parsing the AST is like application security test. Okay, so it will give you the result or report like this. So test your code with the bandit for the whatever the security issue. If you want to check in your Python code, then you can use this tool bandit. It's like a plugin in the Python. You can test your security tool with the help of bandit. If you think my video is good and helpful for you, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Guys, please subscribe my channel. It will helpful for me. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel.